Take a deep breath and allow yourself to relax. As you let go of your thoughts and worries, bring your focus to your breath. Feel the air as it enters and exits your body. Let all tension, anxieties and worries ease away. Feel mind, body and spirit calming. This is your sacred time to experience the interconnectedness of all things. You may want to sit in quiet, meditative reflection of the upcoming content and suggestions, or you may wish to journal. This is your time. Do what suits you best. The Law of Divine Oneness is the foundation law of the 12 universal laws. This law interconnects the whole of humanity, nature, minerals, plants, insects, animals, and all non-living matter. It connects all that is. Nothing exists outside of divine oneness. Beyond our limited perception lies a world where every thought, emotion, word and action is interconnected with everything else. We are all linked to the same source of creation, be it God, the Creator or infinite energy. Our beliefs, desires, actions and thoughts affect not only ourselves, but also those around us and the entire multiverse. We all derive from the same fundamental energy, coexisting equally and collectively in the spiritual realm. Consequently, the energy we emit collectively shapes our reality. What we put out, we get back. All things are connected through vibrational energy. Often we are consciously unaware of how we communicate. Only a very small percentage of our communication is verbal. When someone is angry, for instance, the energy they emit can be felt, even if it is not explicitly expressed. Energy is continuously flowing to and from us. By cultivating a sense of divine oneness, we become aware of how low-frequency emotions like anger, jealousy and hate affect not only ourselves, but also those around us. On the other hand, high-frequency emotions like love are incredibly powerful, capable of eliminating negativity and attracting positive intentions and actions. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. Nothing dies completely, including us. We only change form from one state to another. Everything that exists is continually moving or changing form. Even as our physical bodies disintegrate and appear to die, our energy is being absorbed and renewed into a new state. And now, whether you have chosen to meditate or journal, let's consider how we can fully embrace the law of divine oneness. We can use positive affirmations to keep our mindset on a high vibration throughout the day. Until the gong, arrive at an affirmation you can use to keep your mindset positive throughout the day. And repeat this over with feeling and belief in the space given now. You may wish to set an intention to meditate daily and include feeling the divine oneness you have with all that is. Until the gong, contemplate how you can be more generous with your talent, time, or financial resources. It could be something as simple as paying for someone's coffee or toll, or lending a helping hand to a neighbour. No matter what you choose, cultivating a mindset of generosity is transformative. The groundbreaking research of Dr. Masaru Emoto demonstrated that our thoughts and words have the power to alter the molecular structure of water. Given that our bodies are composed of approximately 65% water, It's essential to be mindful of how our thoughts and words impact our own molecular structure, as well as those around us. Instead, we can choose to transform and reframe negativity into positive energy, sending ripples of positivity out to all that is. You may wish to set an intention to become more conscious of your thoughts. Perhaps consider keeping a thought journal and practicing the art of reframing negative thoughts into positive ones. By intentionally choosing to cultivate a more positive mindset, we can enhance our own well-being and that of those around us. Take a moment to acknowledge that you are an integral part of everything and everyone around you. Throughout the day, pause and observe your surroundings, recognizing that you are interconnected with everything you see. Adopting a we mindset instead of an individualistic me perspective can help foster a sense of unity and interconnectedness. During times when you feel frustrated or angry with someone, remind yourself that you and the other person are interconnected and one. Simply thinking, "I am you and you are me," can help shift your perspective and diffuse negative emotions. End each day with a sense of gratitude for all that has been, all that is, and all that will be. Expressing gratitude for what we have in the present moment sets the tone for future moments of gratitude. Take a moment now to express gratitude for your connection to divine oneness, even if it may be challenging to recognize that connection at times. All is consciousness. We are all one. At times, the influence of our thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and actions may be immediately evident and clear. However, there may also be instances where the impact takes longer to manifest, or we may never fully comprehend the extent of our influence on all that exists. Nevertheless, it is important to recognize that everything is interconnected, and our actions have an impact in ways we may not realize. I would encourage you to be compassionate with others. Whilst we are one, we are all having our unique journey and are at different stages along our path. Perhaps ask yourself, how can I show more compassion and acceptance to those I don't understand? Or have a mantra of, do everything in love. May we as one ripple out peace, love, joy, harmony and abundance. When you're ready, return your attention to your surroundings. Thank you for choosing to meditate or journal with me. My love and appreciation flow to you. Namaste.